Today in this video I am about to show you guys how to convert USDT to Solana coin on Phantom wallet. So first of all, open up your Phantom wallet and here you can see the swap option. Just simply tap on it and now you have to select the UPay option in USDT and you receive in Sol. So enter your I enter the half of the amount by tapping on 50%. And here you can see the slippage setting, so I simply tap on 0.5 and then tap on continue. And now I have to tap on review option, review order, and here the confirmation code. And here you can see the swap option in the bottom of the screen. Just simply tap on it, so your Sol USDT will be converted in your Sol tokens, as you can see in this picture. So that's how you can do it, guys. See you in the next video very soon.